friends, welcome to Vulnerable Machine Solution. If you not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel. In this video we will learn how to configure DNS server in Linux and CentOS. So I have already configured my yum server, so I'm installing the package of DHCP using yum, that is DHCP-y to install the dependencies automatically. Yes, my DHCP package is installed. So here we have the default folder of DHCP. This is the main configuration file of DHCP. So we are opening this file, DHCP. This is the default configuration file of DHCP server. Here we have path c users here doc dhcp star dhcp.com.example. So we have to copy this file, usr here doc dhcp and the version, and then dhcp d.conf.example in our folder, that is dhcp or dhcp d.conf. Yes, we want to overwrite, right? So here we have this file, and this is the copy file which we have copied from the usr share folder. Now we have to configure this file. So I go to the edit mode. If you have the domain name, so you can specify the domain name, otherwise comment this line. Same for the DNS server, if you have, so you can specify, otherwise you can comment this line. We have to comment this also. Comment. We will specify here our configuration. Firstly, we have to comment all the things that are not required in our DHCP configuration. So we are commenting those lines. Yes, we have commented these lines. Yes, right. And we have to uncomment this line. Line number 18 we have to uncomment, that is authoritative. And now we have to specify our network. So ifconfig is used to check the IP address. So this is my IP address, this is my net mask, and this is my broadcast IP. So here we have to specify the subnet, that is 192.168.136.0, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This is our subnet mask, right? Now we have to define the range, in which range we want to the IP address of our client machine. So here I am specifying the IP address should be start from 20 and the end IP address will be 30. 136.30, right? Now we have to specify the gateway or router IP, that is 192.168.136.1 by default, and this is the broadcast IP address of my system. Here we can see, and now save this file. Now we have to restart the service of DHCP, that that is DHCPD, and enable the service. Enable DHCPD. Yes, successfully enabled. Now we have to add in firewall. Permanent --add service is equals to DHCP. That is already in firewall. If it is not already in firewall, so you have to add or reload your firewall, right? Now we can see in our firewall --list service. So the DHCP service is already in my firewall. Now what we have to do, we have to start the network. So start network manager, or if you have network, so you can also start the network. If you are not using network manager, in that case you can start the network. So I am using the network manager, that way it's not required to start the network. Here this is my another system, or here I am saying the IP address is coming 5, right? So here I have to restart the network. Network manager, NMCLI connection. So NMCLI connection up ENS33. This is the changed IP address. Whatever we have defined in our configuration file in our server, here starting from 20 to 30. So the client machine IP address is 20.